Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is a place where we can enter all of those codes. Tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *## 2486 ###. And I wanted to start with this code because in my personal opinion it is the most interesting code for a regular user, because here you can basically check your device whether everything is working perfectly fine. Of course you can go to the ALT test. However, it is not turned on. I just wanted to focus on this one, and especially on this menu mode. Just tap on it, and here you've got different sections, different components of your device. So for example, the vibration, touch screen, touch panel, sensor, SIM card, NFC test, camera, display, etc. And basically you can check all of them. So maybe let's check the touch screen. Just tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 3 different tests. So let's begin with the diagonal. All we have to do is to put our finger on this white circle and then drag it all across the screen in order to check whether the touch screen works right here. So let me tap on it, and as you can see I just have to drag it. If we've got the green screen, the green color, it means that we just pass the test. And as I said, it means that the touch screen right here works. Another test, it looks pretty the same, however we have to do something like that. So we can check all of the components, because as you can see, not only this line but also the bottom part, another diagonal line, and the upper part. So this is how it works. So I hope that you get the idea of this section, and I highly recommend to just have fun right here and check your device. Here you've got also the sequence mode, I don't want to do that, and the connection test. Alright, another code which we can use is the *## 759 ###. Sorry, not this code. I wanted to show you the diagnostic mode. It is *## 426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon right here, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code which should open the testing menu. It is *## 4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode. So we've got the phone info, usage statistics, Wi-Fi info. So for example, in the Wi-Fi info you can open the status, you can run ping test and check the information about the Wi-Fi, the phone information also. So for example, the IMEI number and the phone number, etc. However, I do not have any kind of information here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, you will be able to check that. Alright, and I believe the last code for today's video is the *##06. So definitely the shortest code, and thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.